Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, we shall see how we can restore our old photos. If you have any old photo from a few years back or from a few decades back, you can actually restore that. There is a very good tool to do that. That is restorephotos.world. So if you come to this website restorephotos.world, I shall provide the link to this website in the description. It's very easy process. This tool uses artificial intelligence, that is AI, to actually do this process. Now, when you come to this website, you will click on restore photos. You will upload an image. As an example, I have an image here which we can use for this demonstration. You upload the image. As you can see, this is the image. It's very blurry. Our AI is now working on it, and you can see that AI has actually, you know, restored this photo to a very, very good quality. And if you want to compare, you click on this compare, and it provides you the compare tool. You see, you can compare it like this. This was the old version, the faded version, the blur version, and this is the new version that our artificial intelligence did fix for us. You see, then you can upload this photo, you can download this restored photo. If you click on download, it will actually download the restored photo. Let's go to see. It has downloaded this restored photo for us. You see, the quality is very good now. Previous quality was like this. And you can also upload a new photo to restore it. It's a very simple tool, very good tool. You can try it. Restorephotos.world. Thank you very much.